In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to publish one of your schedules, how to make it so your employees can view it. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have a location selected, then click on Schedules. Then choose the schedule you would like to publish. You should arrive at your settings page. To publish the schedule, check the box next to Published. And if the schedule has been approved, check the box next to Approved. You can then change who is able to swap with this schedule by clicking this arrow. I could choose no one, all employees, or a specific labor pool. I'm going to leave this at all employees. If I did select a specific labor pool, I would enter in that pool in this box. And then I can select a budget by clicking that arrow. I don't have any budgeting information in here, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank. If everything looks good and I'm ready to publish this schedule, I can choose Save. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. Notice a little green bar has appeared at the bottom of this chart, letting me know when this page was last saved. I can also choose to view the history of my schedule. Go to the top of the chart and click on History. And now I can see who first created this schedule, who added it, who published this schedule, and who approved it. In this case, those are all the same person, but you might have different people at your organization who do these things. To go back to the information about your schedule, click on Information. And that's how you can publish your schedule and view its history. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.